Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Cassie, and in this channel, if you're new here, we do a lot of mom vlogs, adulting, lifestyle videos. For today, I just wanted to do an updated apartment tour. I haven't done one in a while, and it's springtime, and I kind of changed a couple things around, so I wanted to show you guys what I've done. I mean, you've probably seen it because obviously I usually vlog in my house, but I haven't done a formal video yet, so I figured today is as good a day as any. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, so this is my house. This is what you see when you first walk in. So we're just gonna come in. Obviously, you guys have already seen my bar area and the kitchen, but when you first walk in, this is the laundry room, and then to the left is my bathroom. I haven't done too much to this place. You guys have already seen these pictures on the wall. I did add this mirror right here. I thought it would be like a cute decorative I can't talk today. Sorry. A cute decorative accent, so I added that, and then I changed these from like that amber one to like a lighter color for spring. But apart from that, nothing else is new. This thing is new, and that's new. They're from Target. This is also from Target. It's the if I remember, I'll put the name down below. Something home, Chip and Joanna line. You know who I'm talking about. So after we leave my bathroom, this is my kitchen again. I think I've always had this. I just made this area into kind of like my little coffee bar. I changed my, what was the other thing called? Keurig. My Keurig to an espresso machine because I actually love espresso. So yeah, I'm gonna do a lot more videos on like different coffees that I make, but I changed this into a little coffee bar. This is all like my little cups. I got one of these just for decorative reasons. Honestly, I don't really recommend it because it doesn't go in the dishwasher very well, and things that don't go in the dishwasher for me are like I can't use them. But I bought this, got this idea from Brandy Jackson. She's a YouTuber. I love her. She doesn't know me but I love her anyways, and she gave me this idea, so I did that. These two like charcuterie board type things are from TJ Maxx, and I know they're new. Uh-oh, someone's calling me. Oh, my dad. Hold on. Anyway, where was I? Oh yeah, so my little bar area kind of changes all the time because we actually drink the drinks, and I'm always buying new glasses. And then sometimes I'm like, maybe I should just do all glasses instead of the liquor. And then I'd be like, nah, because the liquor adds kind of like a really nice touch. But anyway, it always changes. I bought this new tequila bottle. That's probably gonna stay here because we're trying not to drink the bottles that are up here anymore. And this one is new. And then I'm gonna buy a new wine. Never drink this one. Oh gosh. Oh, hold on. Anyway, kind of forgot my train of thought, so we're just gonna end here with the bar. It's the same, it changes, but it's the same at the same time. So I added Kaylani's little table right here by the kitchen because it's just kind of easier to put her right here when we're eating dinner and stuff like that. Then I can just sit on the other chair and feed her and stuff. I got this book, which I love, Jay Nice. Y'all probably don't, I don't know if y'all know who she is, but she actually has her own clothing store, but she also made a cookbook, and I really looked on her Instagram. Gosh, let me talk. A lot for like cooking ideas. So when I realized she had a book, I had to buy it. So I bought this. I got one of these wood things from TJ Maxx. This is from TJ Maxx. This is from Target, and this is from TJ Maxx, and this is from Target. So kind of just made a little cookbook little area right here, and then on to the living room. Right here is kind of where we dump all our stuff. This area, it always changes as well, but I don't know if you guys saw that I bought this painting before, but it's from TJ Maxx, and I just have a hodgepodge of items here. It's gonna stay like this probably until fall time. I got that from TJ Maxx, that from I think Pottery Barn or CB2 on one of those, and then those olive branches are from Amazon. This is the living room, my little beautiful area right here. Y'all already know the IKEA TV stand, this glass table that I think I got from Target. This basket was actually in Kaylani's room. I just moved it out here, and it's from TJ Maxx, and I just have just a new little layout for the TV stand. That's from TJ Maxx, this from Target. We're gonna go right into the office area, and then I'm gonna turn around for the rest of the living space. But the only thing that changed with this area is that I took off everything that was on the table, and I just left my computer. But apart from that, it's basically the same. I bought these two ottomans from Inspired Home Decor. I just thought it would be really nice, like extra seating, plus it just kind of goes with the flow. Oh gosh, my camera's about to die. Oh my goodness, everything's happening all at once. Let me hit y'all back. All right, I'm back for the update time. So this shelf right here is like the newest thing to my home decor. I just got her maybe a couple weeks ago, and I absolutely love this. Like, it's so nice. It was like $120 from Walmart of all places. But I just have the things that I've already shown before on here. Oops. But I've already shown all this stuff. All the vases are basically from TJ Maxx. Most of this home decor is TJ Maxx. I have my hookah here, and yeah, I just think it looks really nice and really chic. Then we have, you know, my side table that's from Target, and my vase, which I don't even remember where it's from. And those flowers are from Hobby Lobby. And then nothing has changed with my couch. I kind of just took all the pillows, made it real neutral. I really want to get like a big white painting, but it's very, very hard to snag one of those at TJ Maxx. So hopefully one day you guys will look up and y'all will see a white painting on this wall. I might end up just doing it myself, but I love these paintings here. I just kind of want to move them into my bedroom, so yeah. And then the other thing that's new is I got a different, oh, I didn't even take the tag off. That's tacky. I'll take the tag off in a minute. But I got a different side table, and I just kind of paired those two together to make it have like kind of more room kind of thing. But yeah, that's it for the living room. What do you guys think? Now let's go to the bedroom. So this is my bedroom. I love my bedroom so much. I mean, my bed is so comfortable and it's just so nice and cozy in here. But these pillows I've had for a long time. The only thing I changed is my sheets. I got some teal sheets. Actually, they're old, but I just switched them out. And then these green silk pillowcases are from Amazon. I think this is so cute. So then we go right here to my side table, and all I did was put all the perfumes that I own / use up, and that's it. But there's nothing really new. And then this is kind of just like my dressing table and what I did with this. And then every season or every couple of months I try and change this out. I don't know if you all can see it clear, but since it's springtime, I put in more of like my brighter I put in more of my brighter clothes just to make it look real springy and fun and, you know, summertime. But that's what that looks like. It's coming out dark. Let's see. Okay, right there. And then outside, I guess I can show you guys outside. So my patio, my poor plants are actually dying. This is my patio area. All I did was kind of sweep up and spruce it up. I didn't buy any new furniture or anything like that. This plant is dying. I need to water her. This one wants to die. I need to water her. But I didn't buy nothing new for this space. All right, y'all, so that is the end of my little apartment tour spring update video. Thank you guys for watching as always, and I will see you on the next one. Please like, share, subscribe, and show me what you guys did and tell me about you guys' plans for your apartment for the spring. Springtime is kind of like my favorite time of the year, so it's also like my birthday month, April. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of my apartment, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you. Bye.